Next, exponential distribution. The probability density function of exponential distribution is p of x is equal to alpha e power minus alpha x between 0 and infinity, 0 elsewhere. Here x is a continuous random variable. So what is the mean of the exponential distribution? Mean of exponential distribution is 1 by alpha. Variance is 1 by alpha square. Next, problems. The first problem. In a certain tower, the duration of shower exponentially distributed with the mean equal to 5. What is the probability that shower will last for less than 10 minutes? Second, 10 minutes or more. Third question, between 10 and 12 minutes. So here it is given in the problem. It is exponential distribution. So exponential distribution. So we have to take the probability density function p of x as alpha e power minus alpha x between 0 and infinity, otherwise 0. So 0 to infinity alpha e power minus alpha x. So otherwise 0. So the function is restricted to 0 to infinity. Mean mu is given 5. So mean mu is 1 by alpha, that we have already seen. So that mean is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 1 by alpha. What is alpha? Alpha is equal to 1 by 5. So now p of x, probability density function is alpha e power minus alpha x. So alpha is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 e power minus 1 by 5 x. X from 0 to infinity. X between 0 and infinity. So the first question, probability that shower will last for less than 10 minutes. So we have to find p of x less than 10. So to find p of x less than 10, since it is a continuous variable, comes under exponential distribution, we have to integrate. That we have to remember. Integration from 0 to 10. Less than 10. So the function is 0 to infinity. The function is 1 by alpha e power minus 1 by alpha e power minus alpha x. So otherwise 0. So we have to take x less than 10 means we have to take 0 up to 10. So 0 to 10 p of x dx. What is p of x? That is substituted. Next p of x 1 by 5 e power minus 1 by 5x dx. After that, integral of e power minus 1 by 5x is minus 1 e to the power minus 1 by 5x divided by minus 1 by 5. So 5 cancels, minus e power minus 1 by 5x is remaining. Next it is upper limit 10, in place of x 10 is substituted. So we get minus 10 by 5, then 0 by 5. So we get e power minus 2, minus e power minus 2, minus of minus plus e power 0. So we get minus e power minus 2 plus 1, that is 0.8647 is the answer for the question. Probability that shower lasts for 10 minutes or more. 10 minutes or more means p of x greater than or equal to 10. So to find p of x greater than or equal to 10, x is greater than 10. See, so it is 10 up to infinity. It goes 10 to infinity p of x dx. So p of x is substituted. After integrating, we get same as the previous problem. So limit from 5 to infinity. So e to the power minus infinity is 0. E to the power minus 1 by x infinity is e to the power minus infinity. E to the power minus infinity 0. Then e to the power minus 1 by 5 into 5. So we get e to the power minus 1, that is 0.1353. Next, between 10 to 12. Between 10 to 12, to find probability p of x less than 12 greater than 10. So we have to integrate from 10 to 12 p of x dx. Next, 10 to 12 p of x, then integral of that, upper limit 12 and 10, probability that the net profit exceeds 500, means p of x greater than turnover exceeds 6,250. We have taken x as the turnover. So x greater than 6,250. So integrating greater than 6,250. So integral 6,250 to infinity, greater than up to infinity, p of x dx. So p of x is alpha e power minus alpha x. Substitute alpha, then integrating we get, we have to integrate, the limit is 6,250 to infinity. So upper limit e to the power minus infinity is 0. So we get the answer 0.353. Next, third problem. The length of a telephone conversation has been exponentially distributed with the mean 3 minutes. Find the probability that a call ends more than 1 minute, takes less than 3 minutes. Answer also given. So here more than 10 minutes, greater than 10, greater than 1, less than 3 minutes, p of x less than 3. Mean is given 3 minutes. So alpha is 3 minutes, 1 by mean 1 by alpha. 1 by alpha 3. So alpha is 1 by 3. So here, which is similar to the first problem. So first problem, variety of problem will be given. They will change only the wordings and the number here. They will change these numbers and they will give the problem. So first problem very important. Similar to that, some other problems also will be given, which is similar to this, more than 1, less than 3, or between 1 and 3, etc. So answer also given, you can solve by yourself.